Forms, that's the way to visualize and also capture data within Flowable by a human. So let's look actually first at our case. Our case here has the prepare present for kids. There we have a process reference, but we can also use a start form. A start form you cannot only use here to start a manual activity, you can also have that for a case or a process. Looking at our start form, that has two fields. We can add more fields with all the different items available on our palette here on the left side. You can simply just drag and drop them to your canvas, and you can even extend that palette with your own custom items. Once you added a field, you can configure it. There you can configure the visibility as well as the validations of that specific field. You can go ahead and preview it, look how that works basically, and we can just add some information in here. We can then enable debugging to see how that information is stored. And on the same side, we can use way more advanced fields as well. As an example, it's not that advanced, but a little step further, I have here the present form, which uses at the top a subform, so that reuses our existing form. And then below we have a panel, which allows us to specify the present for the kid. Now, when we go to Flowable Work and try that out, I say new work, then I start the Christmas preparation case. In that, I can now prepare a present for a kid. So let's say that's for Lisa, she's 2. And for that present here, we are going to specify a book for $4.99. This is a cool book. And once we complete that, we now see how that data is stored. Therefore, I can go back to my sub items where I see here the prepare present for a baby with all the information which we stored. That information is actually also available on our process. When we look at Flowable Inspect, we see here that we have the present in here, which is stored as a JSON variable. So that is when you nest and group data together, then that shows up as a JSON variable. And with that, you can store your information in Flowable.